A presentation by Dr. Masahito Kawamori and Tin and Kenny from the International Telecommunications Union and Wafindra, respectively. They are speaking about Wafindra, the world's first international standard for accessible audio navigation. Image, RSBC Youth Forum members with Drive. Tom Pei, RSBC Chief Executive and ITU Accredited Expert. Wafindra is a non-profit partnership between RSBC and US2O aiming to empower blind and vision-impaired people to travel independently. Image, Wafindra logo superimposed on a blind person on an escalator. Wafindra initially developed a prototype audio navigation app for use by the blind, but quickly realized that the greatest possible impact lay in the creation of an open standard. Image, a person using a smartphone app. Indoor navigation is a rapidly growing market, and an accessibility standard means that these services can be accessible for blind and vision-impaired people from the beginning, unlike many other technologies, where accessibility was only considered once the technologies were mainstream. Image, the Wafindra demo mobile application in the hand of US Earth Open Standard ensures that blind people have a consistent experience when using navigation apps, wherever in the world they are. This is the key to ensuring user adoption. Images, ITU-SEC.gen. Mr. Howlins How and ITU and UN Logos. ITU is the UN's agency for information communications, including broadcasting and technologies, and counts standard making as one of its primary activities. Images, ITU representatives receiving Emmy Awards. ITU has twice won Emmy Awards for its work on standards for video compression. Some other well-known ITU standards are International Telephone Country Code, which defines Korea's number as 82, the USA as 1, etc. This is formalized by ITU. Some of you may have heard of ADSL or AMT 2000. These are also ITU standards. The ITU cooperates with persons with disabilities and organizations representing them when creating standards. These standards are a good way to provide reasonable accommodation through ICT. Image: the front cover of ITU TF 921. ITU TF 921 is the world's first international standard for indoor navigation for people who are blind and vision impaired. The standard describes how to make an accessible audio navigation system. Further documents are being drafted. Image: the Wayfinder demo mobile application in the hand of US Earth. It has approval of ITU TF 921 means that indoor navigation systems can be designed to be accessible for those with vision impairments and other disabilities from the beginning. Image: the Wayfinder community. In order to make the standard available for end users, Wayfinder works with a wide range of indoor navigation providers. Challenges include developing a sustainable business model and addressing the emerging indoor navigation market. Thankfully, companies see broad benefits and are eager to use the standard. Image: a vision-impaired person arriving at the top of an escalator in a London Underground station. Plans for the future include finalising a compliance checklist for the standard, developing training courses on audio navigation for accessibility professionals, and working to spread accessible audio navigation all over the world.